Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. All right, on today's episode of Bikes at Class Customs, we have this BMW GS 1200cc. We are changing the look to something more matured, forged carbon fiber. That will be going on the tank cover, fairings. We're also changing the tank, just wrapping the boxes, little detailing as well, brushed metallic. All right, guys, let me turn it on so you can hear the sound or what she sounds like. I really can't wait to see what it will look like.
Mama hasn't made this.